This is the worst skate park I think I've ever seen, ever. Okay, I just saw this abomination on the internet. I should be nicer. In the comments, it's like, people are lucky to have a skate park, which I agree. I completely agree. But whoever designed this park, you could have done so much better with the space. We're gonna have a lookie. We're gonna see what's it all about. First off, we have this rail. It goes straight and then it curves, which I'm not gonna lie is actually pretty sick. It is square on top, not too bad. But look at this space here. There's no quarter pipe to drop in. There's no way to really get speed. And then this thing, I don't even know what you want to call it. I don't even know what it is. Like, who designed this? My goal here, and I'm still recovering from the broken foot, but my goal is to do any trick on one of these obstacles. Any trick on all of them, I guess. And then this ledge, ooh, it's kind of in the way of that. It's not like in a good position, but let's try and skate this. Let's try and skate this up right now. I guess the easiest place is probably the rail. We're gonna do the warm up on the rail. Actually, no. What am I thinking? We need to do the warm up on flat. I'll get my warm up tricks in. See if I can rock each of SMS 1. Woo-wee! I gotta take this phone out of my pocket. Okay, back 180. Yes, sir! And it is hot today. Okay, shove it. Front shove. Wow, scared of this next one. If I get this first try, straight to Jamba Juice. I almost bodied. Did you bring your skate shoes today, Derek?
I didn't.
I know you're not skating in those bad boys.
No, I'm not.
Okay, breathe, Aaron, breathe. Think about all the kids that never have landed a heel flip. Wow, this is for you guys. Keep shredding out there. First time landing primo. 2 screws instead of 4. Oy vey. So I'm 41 years old. I'm still riding a skateboard. You know what I think I need to do though, Derek? I think I need to like build myself up to all of my old tricks and film a new video part. Even if it's not the old tricks, even if it's less good than the old tricks, I think I should do it. If you go through all of my video parts, you will see maybe 1 heel flip in like 10 video parts. I'm gonna put a heel flip in the next video part. Come on! Yes. Count it or no?
I think so.
We're gonna do it for real. You know what else I love about being mic'd up? All the grunt noises. I'm sorry, I can't help it. I gotta grunt when I skate. Yes, sir, I'm taking that. I'm taking it. Might not be pretty, might have been rocket. And the final one, kickflip. Wow. Aaron, why did you put kickflip last if it's the easiest one? You know what? Just let me live. Okay, next to this, the rail. Maybe I should have been more kind to the skate park when I was walking in, because this rail actually does look pretty sick. Start out with the basics. The only tricks I know how to do on a rail, board slides. I could use a little wax. Let's go this way now. Wow. Board slide fakie. Woo! Nollie board slide. Sketchy. See, the run up to this rail sucks though. Look, I'm going down, I'm uphill, then around the rail. Okay. Then the gallop over the rail. Why is it so exhausting? Sheesh. I feel like I gotta do some more tricks on this thing, but I feel like it's gonna body me. Half cab board slide? And yes, I'm pushing Mongo up to this. Mongo Nation! Wow. And of course I don't have any wax. I don't think I have wax. Hippie jump it. Yes, sir. I love me hippies. I don't think we're quite ready for that, right?
I don't know. Maybe
need to practice our everything. To the ledge, I guess? Also, this ledge is just in the worst location possible. But again, I hate to just say, oh, this park sucks, but it would be better if it's literally just flat ground. Skaters could come and practice flat ground. This is just in the way. Like, what is that? All right, first we're gonna ride off of this. Ouch! Now we're gonna ollie up. Whoa, whoa. Count it, kinda. Yeah! I don't know why everything I do, I just think my foot is gonna hurt so bad. And you know, sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. Let's see if I can manual this. Wow. That was a little bit higher than I think I can ollie first thing in the morning. I need to wake up. Wow, Aaron, Come on. You got this, right? Right? Bend the knees. Suck it up. Wow. Come on. That hurt my foot. I'm all excuses. You know what I gotta say to that? Stop being a baby, Aaron. No excuses. You got this. I literally have no idea how that happened. This is why I love skateboarding. What do you got? You're gonna make an excuse? You're gonna say you can't do it? That's nothing. It was like for no reason, I just stopped mid the manual and then just went, yeah, we're getting too old for this. No, we're not. 41 years young. I need to just do a kickflip to get my confidence back up. I got a nice little hipper on that, Derek. Derek, we're going downhill fast. All right. Derek, I need you to tell me that I can't do it and I should give up.
You can't do it, you should give up. It's too high. You can't jump that high.
Because you're old.
Because you're old. 41? Come on now.
For all the 41 years old out there.
You can't do it, just quit. Ah! That's all you needed.
That was the best celebration for a stupid manual I've ever done in my whole life. I needed that. Dear Mom, thank you for giving birth to me 41 years ago. I know it was very stressful, especially when I almost died in the hospital. Why do I keep picking up the board? I feel like this thing has just not been skated in trillennia and has no wax. And then of course it's the most waxed ledge that ever existed in the history of skateboarding. Okay, no slide. Could we just have taken the concrete like a little bit further so we have a runway to this? Look at how I have to skate this thing. Yes, sir. I'm gonna lie, that felt pretty good. Yeah, boy. Do I dare try something on this? I mean, is it like 14 obstacles in one and I have to the hip? There's something I can do on this hip for sure. I call this one the walk-off. Frick. Okay, we're gonna run it back. Yes, sir. Ollie, maybe? Whoa! I don't know, Debo. Whoa! I was like 3 inches away from losing my testicles. Okay, I'm gonna go this way. Ollie up to there, I think. We're gonna try. Bro, no way. It's like hitting a wall. Ugh. The other way, maybe? It's like part of me, I just suck, and the other part of me, like, I'm trying to not hurt my foot again for my doctor's orders. And I'm definitely not gonna skate that hub, but that thing is shoo-wee. Yes, sir. Ride down switch. Whoa! That was like really a lot of effort for zero trick. Okay, ride up Manny the top, I guess. Not even a trick? I don't know. What even counts anymore? Oh yeah, boy. I'm gonna take you to the best obstacle in the park. Here, follow me. Sometimes the skate park is built next to, I wanted to call it an obstacle course, then a jungle gym, but it's a children's playground. And I see a skate obstacle right here that's gonna rival anything in this whole park. You ready for this?
This?
Yeah, you think I got it? First try! Okay, and back the other way.
It's me, Mario!
Let's go. And then like, you have this perfectly good ledge here, except for the star skate stoppers. They could have just angle ironed this whole thing, not have these pillars there, and this would be the best part of the entire skate park. Maybe what I should do is just be on all the skate park design planning commissions of every city council in the world. Maybe we should do that. What do you think? Mediocre idea? Okay, well, I seriously don't know what else I got on this thing. Well, let me see this. Let me see this. It is so dangerous when it goes so close to the ground like that. Like they probably thought they were making it more safe. And then not only that, but look, if you fall, you go right into a cement ledge. Derek, this is probably one of the dumbest things I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh yeah, that's a no. That's gonna be a no for me, dog. Okay, so I appreciate that this park exists. If you're a brand new skater, come out to a park like this, learn some flat ground tricks, but do not wreck yourself on poorly designed obstacles. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go!